In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your laptop speaker's crackling. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever you're on your laptop or PC and all of a sudden your speakers start working incorrectly. Well, this is what you have to do. The first thing I want you to do is go over to your search, type in update, and then it's going to be check for updates right here, which is under settings. So we're going to check for updates. It's going to be on Windows Update right here. And if you have an update, you want to do it now, or you want to schedule the restart for whenever you're able to do it. And then from there, after you've done your Windows update, because for some reason that can cause any audio issues that you're having, like with your speakers, the next thing that you want to do is go back to search and type in device, and it's going to bring up the device manager, which is from your control panel. From here, you want to go to your audio inputs and outputs, which is like the very top thing, and then just locate your speaker, then right click on it and go to update driver. Then you can search automatically for a driver, or you can browse your computer if you just like downloaded one. And then, if you have the latest driver installed, it's going to say that you do. And all you got to do is press close, and then, you'll be good to go in that front. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to right click on the bottom right where your volume icon is, and then you want to go over to sound settings. Once you're in sound settings, you want to scroll down until you press more sound settings. And from here, it's going to bring up this little thing right here. And then you just want to locate your headset. And then all you want to do is go to properties, go to advanced, and you can turn off any of these two things, like give exclusive mode applications priority, or allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. And then after that, see if it works any better,